This 1923 is one of the JD models, which were introduced in 1921. The JD was a solid, simple engine, one valve up, one valve down, and it lasted for 9 years on the 74 cubic inch big engines. This bike was specially painted black for a police department. It has another gear on the back wheel that drives the speedometer. This is the foot clutch, the backup hand lever, and the shifter lever. By 1921, there were Harley-Davidson dealers in 67 countries and catalogs printed in 7 foreign languages. In 1924, nearly half of the 13,942 machines built were exported. This is a 1926 BA 21 cubic inch sports single. It was available with either a side valve Model B or overhead valve Model BA engine. It marks the first appearance of the teardrop gas tank. It had a foot-operated brake assembly, foot clutch and footboard, battery box, and the shifter relay linkage.